Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about the RTX voice app. This is the new buzz in the tech world, and this is an app which eradicates your background noise using artificial intelligence. And people has been saying so much good things about this app. This is the PC world. So RTX voice canceling app that can eradicate your background noise using AI or artificial intelligence. People has been putting real world testing, and uh, they are pretty much amazed by this app. One of the problem with this is that if you want to use this app, you have to have an RTX GPU or a graphics card with RTX like 2060 Ti, 2070, 2080. But today we're going to see how you can use this technology with your existing graphics card. Of course, it has to be a Nvidia graphics card or a GTX graphics card. But we're going to see how we can use your existing graphics card to utilize this technology. And today, in our case, I have a Nvidia GTX 1050 Ti in my laptop, and I'm going to show you how to use this 1050 Ti with the RTX noise cancelling app. Okay, first let's go to the RTX download webpage. Search in the Google, and we see the RTX webpage. Here, if you scroll down, we can see the download link. And if you click it, you will have to download the RTX app into your computer. The size of this app is like 300 megabytes, so it's not that big. After the download is completed, we run the installation file. And it says it fails because we don't have an RTX ray tracing graphics card inside our chip. So here's what we do. We go to C drive, then go to the temp folder. We go to NVRT voice, then NVAFX. There's a file called rtxvoice.nvi. We open this with Notepad or Notepad Plus. Anything works. I'm opening with Notepad Plus. We have to remove the constraint. So the constraint code that is limiting us from installing this into our system is this part. Here, if I zoom it in, you can see this code is the constraint code. This is an XML file. If we remove this, we'll be able to install RTX into our system. So let's remove this code. Okay, now we save this. Now let's check again by opening again. Now this time I'm using Notepad just to make sure that we really remove that constraint code, and it's not there. So we are good to go. Now let's go back to the setup file and let's run the setup again. And you can see this time it actually goes through and it lets us install the RTX voice app. It's installed now. So after installing the RTX app, it will start by itself. And we have to select the input and the input device. We click the suppression for that input device, and also we click the output, which select the output device. Also click the noise suppression for the output device. You can also see there's a bar. You can change this suppression. If you go back to the website, actually it gives you all the necessary settings for integrating this RTX technology with other voice recording or video recording apps. Actually, so you can see here we have you know, different apps that you can use. Zoom, you have Skype. We also see OBS. I mean, OBX Studio. You also can use this with Audacity, and so on and so forth. So let's go and see first how we can change the settings for the Windows. So we type sound into the search button, and we go to sound settings. Now here, let's select the input output device, our default output device, and the input device as RTX. So your input device would be RTX. Now in the OBS software, let's go into the settings. We are going to change the settings here. So we go to the settings, and then we go to audio, and here you can select the microphone. We select it to be RTX, and also now we select the monitoring device to be RTX, and we apply, and that's it. So we can also check whether our system is running, the RTX app is running, by clicking here, and as you can see, the system is running here. Okay, let's test the RTX voice app. Here I'm gonna make sound with this pad and a pen, and let's see if you can catch the sound. So I'm hoping that you are not hearing the sound that I'm making right now. If you are not hearing the sound that I'm making, then the RTX is working. Okay, now let's try RTX off for comparison. Here I'm making the sound, and I'm also talking. If the RTX is off, then you're definitely hearing the noise. Okay, so that is our video, and I'm hoping that it was useful for you guys. I don't know what to do with this technology, but it would be surely helpful for those of us who have low spec or low budget speakers or microphones. On a different note, the whole world is kind of shaken up with COVID-19, and I would urge all of you guys to stay at home and donate if you can. Especially in my country, Bangladesh, there are lots of people who are in distress. People are cannot get out, and these people are actually, very poor people. So I would suggest to go and donate and help those people out, and stay home. Thank you very much. Please subscribe if you like our content.